Ryan Solo and Morning Beat, the weekly groan. I've had my laptop for about 3 years, and for a few months recently it wobbled just a bit when put on a flat surface. I thought this was odd, but for whatever reason didn't look into it. I thought perhaps maybe the laptop was getting warped during its travels as the years went on, but that generally doesn't happen. One day I picked it up and put it in my rucksack and noticed a bulge in the bottom casing. That's a good word, isn't it? Bulge. Clearly there was something wrong, and it was the battery. Part of it had swollen, and it had been like that for a while. I'm lucky it didn't explode, as that can happen with those lithium-ion batteries when they go faulty. And when they do, it's a hell of a bang. So I got inside my laptop and carefully removed the battery and put it outside in my courtyard, away from as much stuff as possible. And I later disposed of it responsibly, never to be seen or used again. Now, when the faulty battery was still in use, I didn't notice any drop in performance. It held a decent charge okay. Why did it swell up? It's the result of too much current inside a cell of the battery, which causes a build-up of heat and gas. This is caused either by overcharging, a deep discharge, manufacturing defects, or damage to the battery. Most of those don't apply here, so I'm going with the manufacturing issue as the problem. A shame, as it lasted a mere 3 years. Finding a replacement was easy, but I had to wait several days for it to arrive. Now, I moved my laptop around quite a bit, and when for a while I had to boot it up, use it, shut it down, then move it to the next location. Then boot it up, use it, shut it down, move it to the next location. You get the idea. God, what a faff trying to use a laptop with no battery. There was then the question of damage to the outer casing of the laptop as well. As the battery had expanded, it had cracked the case in a few places. I've repaired this with super glue, the best that can be done, and it's fine. It doesn't look the best, but at least it's on the underside. The moral of the story here is never ignore something when it bulges.